Ukraine, a country rich in culture and tradition, offers a culinary treasure that reflects its vibrant history and resilient spirit. One such dish is the beloved vinaigrette, a salad embodying Ukrainian comfort food's essence. The recipe begins with the star ingredient, sauerkraut, a staple that not only adds a tangy flavor, but also represents the agricultural abundance of the region. To create this dish, we start by combining the sauerkraut with boiled potatoes, a versatile ingredient that serves as a hearty base. The addition of beets introduces a stunning burst of color, transforming the salad into a visual feast. Beets are not just aesthetically pleasing, they are packed with nutrients, symbolizing the earthiness of Ukrainian soil. Next, we incorporate carrots, which contribute a natural sweetness and crunch, enhancing the overall texture of the dish. Beans and green peas are added, introducing protein and a fresh pop of green that signifies the vitality of life. The final touch is made from vegetable oil and finely chopped onions. This dressing ties the ingredients together and infuses the salad with a refreshing aroma, making it a delightful accompaniment to any meal. This vinaigrette is more than just a recipe. It reflects Ukraine's culinary heritage, showcasing simple local ingredients that come together to create something extraordinary. As we embrace this dish, we celebrate the resilience and creativity of Ukrainian culture, reminding ourselves that even in the face of adversity, the heart of a nation can be found in its food. Let us honor this tradition by sharing and enjoying the flavors of Ukraine, one plate at a time.